So here's how to deposit money in Bitunix. If you haven't signed up for Bitunix yet, click on my link down in the description or use my referral code ZBQK for 5,500 USDT worth of newbie benefits. So once you're in your Bitunix account, first of all, what you need to do is head over to Assets on the top left and select Deposit right here. And then you will get to see the section that says Deposit Cryptos. Now, just open up this drop-down to select a token. You can use the search bar to type in the name, or you can scroll through to find the token that you want. You also have some suggestions on the bottom, so I will choose USDT. After selecting it, you will need to select a network for the transfer, so scroll through and select the one that you want. Make sure that the network is accurate, and once you're done, you will get to see your deposit address right here, from where you can copy it. Also, there are additional details on the bottom. You can also use the QR code if you want. And that is exactly how to deposit money in Bitunix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.